Bella, wake up. I can't sleep.
Go back to sleep, Lily. Go back to sleep. It's 3 a.m. See? It's 3:20 a.m., Lily. Go back to bed. Go back to bed. Well, if you're up, I guess we should do something.
Can we play with some squishies?
Sure. No, we use mine.
Ooh! Look at that squishy. It's a good squishy.
Let's get these out and put them on the floor.
Yay! Squishy.
No, that's enough.
Squishy. Squish
Nope.
party. Squishy. Squishy party. Squishy. I like this one. Look, it's like a pancake. It's like a pancake. It's like, oh. What was that? Squishy. What was that?
What was that? Go in the living room and look at what it was.
Okay. I hate being up at 3 a.m. I hear this is when bad things happen. Bella, what's your squishy doing out here? It was just in your room.
My squishies aren't out there.
Look! It's right there.
Who knows?
Okay, well that just might be a coincidence. Look. Look!
Hey, look! It's 2 more squishies. What are
Really?
they doing out here?
That's weird, Bibi. What are you doing with a squishy? Here's another one, right at the TV.
Look, there's another one.
Dropped it. Look, here's another one. The strawberry.
Here. This is so weird. Why are all my squishies out here? Like, I just had them in my room a second ago. I don't know. Like...
What was that? Oh my god! It's the strawberry!
Squishy just hit me!
Where the heck did that come? Did someone open a window and did it come through?
I see another squishy. 2.
I wonder if there's more squishies around here. There probably is. Ah! I was hit! Oh my god! Run! Ah! Oh my god, where are these squishies coming
I found
from?
all these squishies out there.
This one too!
Stop. I have to put them away before the squishies haunt anymore.
Where are these coming from? I told you, it's 3 a.m. This is bad luck.
Let's put all these squishies away.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just don't know. This has been really weird.
That one right there. What happened? Bella, the lights went out again.
Oh, this is weird.
Ah!